Okay, welcome everybody. Today we are taking a look at ConvertKit, ConvertKit.com. It is an email marketing software that allows you to grow your email list through your website, through various forms, through landing pages, newsletter signups, or freebie giveaways. So right now I'm just on ConvertKit.com, the main homepage here, and we're just going to scroll through this real quick, and then together we will sign up for their new free plan that they offer. So I was looking into ConvertKit for a while as I just started a new website, and serendipitously they just within the last week or so, maybe 2 weeks, started offering a free plan for people who are just starting up their website, because they had a lot of newer bloggers and new website owners going to MailChimp to start because it's free. And then eventually what most people do is they start a MailChimp, and once they're big enough, they come over to ConvertKit, and they saw, I guess, an opportunity to kind of get a foot in the door for them, to get the customers from the jump. So we're going to take a look at that, see if it's worth our while, and see how it goes. I haven't signed up for this yet, so we'll be learning it together. So yeah, like I said, ConvertKit is great if you are looking to make some more money from your website. So if you want to give away a freebie, a lot of people give away printables or a PDF book to get somebody's email for future sales. You can also do a pop-up form, the ones where you head over to the X and then it pops up and asks, oh, real quick, we'll give you this discount or this freebie if you give us your email type thing. And then, of course, there's the standard blogger newsletter sign up, which you can add as well. And then you can get with ConvertKit, you can get super specific. So you can do different blogging categories. If you have a category, let's say it's about fishing, you can tag anyone who signs up through that category as someone who likes fishing. And you have another category that's about hiking. You can have those emails or those people tagged as hikers. And you can get super specific with it. You can automate emails and email chains and all sorts of options. So we're going to go back up to the top of the homepage here and then look at the pricing for ConvertKit. Cool. So this is the new free account that we're going to click into in a second here. But first we're going to look at just kind of the monthly fees that you would pay depending on how many subscribers or email subscribers you have through your website. So if you're just starting out and you have 0 or less than 1,000 subscribers, it's $29 a month. If you have between 1,000 and 3,000, it's $50 a month. And then 3,000 to 5,000 is $80 a month. And then over 5,000 subscribers, so you're a seasoned pro, they kind of do things a little bit separate, kind of behind the scenes, and you'll have to contact them, and they'll probably give you some kind of deal. And then also that's the monthly fee, but if you pay annually, it's a little bit cheaper. It knocks $5, $6, whatever bucks off the monthly cost, but then it bills you annually. So it's about, for the beginner price, it's about $290 annually. And then as far as what it offers, every plan is just about the same. If you want to follow along here, it gives you all this support, integrations. So there's a ton you can do with it. So we're going to come back up here and then look at starting the free account. So it's going to ask us a few questions before we get set up. So are you currently using an email marketing tool in your business? No, I am just getting started with email. So if you did start out with MailChimp, there is a way to easily move whatever emails that you do have over in MailChimp over to ConvertKit. They have a service for that. I believe it's free. Nice. ConvertKit is great for beginners. Do you have a website? Yes, I do. So it supports all these different websites. I currently am running a WordPress website through Bluehost. All right. Okay, great. So I just filled out my email, my username. They sent a confirmation email. I clicked that, and then it opened up to this page, which is sort of the back end of ConvertKit, where you can make your forms, your landing pages, do your automations, and view your subscribers. So we'll take a look at the landing pages and forms in a second, but first I want to go over to the subscribers tab. And so kind of the catch to the free plan is that they want you to refer people. So for each person that you refer to ConvertKit, they will give you they'll give you the ability to host 100 emails, and you can refer up to 10 people, which will bring you to 1,000 slots or 1,000 emails that you can host on ConvertKit, which is the equivalent of the smallest plan, the $29 per month plan. So I'll put my affiliate link in the description if you want to follow that. If you do use that, you will start off with 100 emails that you can host, which is pretty cool. I wish that I had clicked on somebody's affiliate link when I made this, because I think I have zero email slots, but we'll sort that out if we can later. So let's take a look at landing pages and forms real quick. There's an introduction video that kind of gives you the layout, but I'll do a quick one as well, just to show you the very basics. It looks like with the free plan, it is pretty bare bones. Like this, you can't click on this automations tab, sequences, broadcasts. That doesn't lead you anywhere. It leads you back to that subscriber referral spot. So we'll take a look at making a form, and it gives you a few options here. We'll do a slide-in form. A couple templates here. We'll just do this simple one. They're all pretty simple. But a lot of this stuff is pretty straightforward. I mean, you can change images. You can add, you have the option to add first name, email. You can add another option if you wanted to do like your last name. You can add that as well. You can change the text of the buttons. You can change the colors over here. So that's all pretty cool. But it's all pretty streamlined, all pretty straightforward stuff. So this is a URL that it would lead to. And then this over here is the embedding option. So you can do a pretty standard JavaScript if you want to just plug that into your website. HTML, there's just a simple sharing URL. And then there is a ConvertKit WordPress plugin, which I'll do a tutorial on in a little bit here, because I do use WordPress. So I think I'll end up using this form and then unbounce. So lots of options with that. And then there's a reports tab, so you can, I'm going to leave this, we don't need to save that. So you can kind of see where your clicks, how your conversion rate is looking, how many subscribers you're getting from your forms. So from what I've seen so far, ConvertKit looks like it's pretty cool. Like I said, the subscriber thing might be a little bit of a setback for people, but if you do want to start off with 100 email slots, if you are just starting your blog or web page like I am, then this is a useful tool, because you're not going to start off with 1,000 subscribers anyway. So get yourself familiar with ConvertKit, check out the homepage, watch some more tutorials, and you'll kind of get the hang of it and learning how to implement it in your site and slowly build up your email list. So hopefully this video was helpful. And like I said, that link is in the description. So thank you guys for checking this out, and I hope everything goes well for you. Thanks.